Hello, this is for lesson 5, energy flows up and matter cycles down. So what we're going to do here is you need one thing, besides your Chromebook that you're using right now, is this paper you see here. This is a class copy. Oh, I have it on the wrong side. Class copy, and on the front we'll say that it's for lesson 5, class copy. So you're not going to write on this, you're not going to mark this up. This will be turned back into the bin when you're done reading it. You are going to read this paper. Then, using that information, you are going to write 2 race responses. Your 2 questions, so you have 1, 2. The first question is, how does energy enter a food web, and in what ways does it flow through, and how does it leave the food web? So how does energy flow through and leave the food web? The second question is, how does matter or nutrients move through a food web? Why doesn't the matter pile up at the end of the food web? So you're going to answer these 2. So you're going to have 2 race responses. Make sure that you separate them in your submission. You can do them as 2 different attempts, or you can do it in the same text box. Just make sure that they're kind of like separated with some space so that I can see your 2 separate race responses. Once you finish this paper, you can go ahead and put it back at the supply shelf. Just like the lesson before, if you would like this paper to be read out loud while you are following along, there's a video just below this one that is totally optional. It's only if you would like to follow along while I read this article.